Remember OB that night. She was admitted, alipewa damu A positive, niyo bila gwikirwo. But we required to give her platelets. Platelets ndaigua ni thakame iria etuhe tunyamu turutagwo thakame-ini tukoragwo tu 140,000 to 450,000 thiini wa mundu. Riu ni turutagwo thakame-ini nikio metagio thakame ciao irutwo platelets icio ona kwa marina ukimwi kama mangigie riu itu ti ndiagiriire ina mukingo gukira kurega. We normally don't store platelets in stock. We only have whole blood packed red cell and FFP. So the family was supposed to donate the platelets, family or friends. Imagine on that Saturday. Akina huyo mrudi mumarayo sio mwedi gutira muthoma ritwa. We are told to donate wakakata. Nimaregete biu kuruta thakame ciao. And walikuwa wanafuruga saying how AR is expensive. They needed to transfer her to Kenyatta Hospital. We tried to beg them kwanza wa donate platelets apewe ndio wa transfer wakakata. Ni meri to ndage transfer yatekitwo nyamu ino. Ekirwo nyamu ici ndego survive athi. Makiuga no problem. Wakakata, and now that's when walikubali tulikubali tu wambebe. Ni marega othe. Marega kuriha na marega kurutwo thakame. Because they were even hitting the table kwa fujo. Murehe iro nginya umegokathie Kenyatta. Na ni Kenyatta public hospital ti private wing. Etekiado ni ngui. Later tukasikia Betty died. And as the whole fraternity were there with her, we were disappointed. They failed her. Kina huyo wa kwanza analia sana. Ndina ritwa haha ni hetwo na ritwa. No cio ngi wa kuma America okererithie hau. They failed her. That's why they were using AR to cover up. Na nikio AR yarutire marua na ihenya uguo ndamionire kwa marua mao ni mandikire marua na ihenya muno remoni ni mararumwo. Ni ndonire kwa podcast ni postire marua mao uri utonete podcast ni amikirire marua magima mao to ni mapostire no ni ndamonere wa podcast kui podcast. If you want anyone ever follow up, cause AR washa set case ya defamation. If anyone ever follows up, uri okurumirira kesi iyo ni ekumenya ni mathitangitwo na defamation ko uri guthukiria cio ritwa makimenyaga niyo maregire Betty athondekwo na makireka kurutwo thaka. We all have the records of lab reports and services that we are given to her.